Lagi ka bang nakakatanggap ng mga backhanded compliments? Yung ba mga statement that appear to be a compliment on the surface pero may tinatagong insult or negative implication? Tulad ng, "Uy, ang ganda ng suot mo. Bagay na bagay sa katawan mong ganyan." Tapusin mo ang video na ito para alam mo kung paano i-handle ang mga backhanded compliments na ibibigay sa iyo in the future. Una, keep it short and neutral. Sometimes, the best response is a simple thank you. Ina-acknowledge mo ang compliment without engaging with the negativity. Halimbawa, pag sinabi niya sa iyong, "Wow, ang taas ng energy mo. Akala ko kasi palagi kang pagod." Just smile and reply, "Salamat, thank you." Here, you're not taking the bait and you're keeping your cool. Pangalawa, address it directly. If you feel comfortable tapos feel mo na parang may sting sa kanyang sinabi, call it out politely. Halimbawa, you can say, "I am not sure if that was meant as a compliment. Could you clarify?" Or you can say, "I really appreciate the compliment, but it feels a bit like an insult. Can we focus on the positive aspects instead?" Here, you're giving the person an opportunity para i-rethink at i-reconsider niya ang kanyang words. Or possibly, para i-clarify ang kanyang intent. Lastly, gamitan mo ng humor. Halimbawa, pag sinabi niya sa iyong, "Be, ang ganda talaga ng mga pictures mo. Halatang magaling ka mag-edit." Sagutin mo, "Kalma lang be. Ganito talaga kami mga editors." Editors? Here, you acknowledge the compliment without taking it too personally and can turn the conversation into a more positive direction. Ikaw, paano mo hinahandle ang mga backhanded compliments?